Very good morning to everybody. This is Said on behalf of Teknova Software Development Company. I want to introduce you today the Jubilee freezone customs importer and exporters businessmen who used to import from outside and sell to the mainland and re-export it. So I want to show you some brief information about this. So we'll enter to the system. This is a dummy data, and here the software has potential to control different inventories. For example, here we have inventory location 1, location 2. We can add as much as you want. So the software has capacity that handle the customers and suppliers in the different currencies. For example, if you add one company here, for example Dell LLC, the TRN number is under control, the digits, to not get more or not get less. And after that you will see here the currency. The currency you can assign dirham or dollar, whatever you deal with your supplier. That's at the same time for the customers also same facilities. So now I want to first show you one interval which is very important. This interval, I'll just start here. You see, once we enter to this section, they'll ask you the information about your bill of entry. So this is the bill of entry according to the Dubai customs. On the bill of entry we have total weight, we have total quantity, and we have total amount. For example, we'll add that 100 is the total weight, and the quantity is 50, and the amount is 1000. Then we will go to the next step. So in the next step we will see here the page of the purchase entry. So on the purchase entry you will select the date, so whatever you want. So as per usual, let's select the current date. Then you will select one of your customers which earlier we added. For example, we add Amazon, and there is a number of them also too also on the bill of entry. You can enter this number also here, and then the declaration number you have to add here according to a declaration number. Then the purchase type, it's like you can say there's a transit in, or this is an internal transfer, so this also you can select. And now you will select your item. The items, when you see here, so this item is earlier is added. This demo is for a computer trader, which they are importing in Jubilee and they are selling to the mainland, and they are re-exporting also. This some demo, this information comes from there. For example, we will put item, so we delete, we put another item, like for example we will put the Dell desktops. Then the quantity, we said that it should be according to our information 50. If I put 50, then this boxes becomes green. If I put 51, then the box is still is red, means that it's not according to the bill of your entry. If even I put the 49, it's not getting green. So once we go according to the information, then the things is get green. Now the price, for example, 50 piece, we told them for the total price is 1000. If I to put 20, means 1000 is becomes the price, then it becomes green. And after that they will ask the kind of system is enter automatically the HS code. The country of origin, you can select one of them from here, and then the unit weight, and then the total weight, because we said here the total weight is 100 grams, 100, so we'll put the 100. So for the unit, this all boxes get green. So now you will go in and save. So they are asking for the location, which location you want to put your stuff. We will just save that in the Sharjah, then we'll go to the save to the next. So once we will go to the next, we will come to the today date. This information is here. And now you can attach the necessary documents, for example, bill of entry, bank wire, so the payments, what's called supplier bill, whatever is necessary for you, you can attach it here to be later on maybe you need it. Now we'll go to the sales. So on the sales we want to create an invoice, so we'll create an invoice, which is very important part of this. So we select a customer, for example this customer already generated, we select a customer, type of sales, we will say the type of is a transit out, it's whatever is as you can put your export port is Jubilee, destination you can put from and to, and the currency, because this currency is assigned for this customer, is a dirham, so it's showing as dirham. So since it's a dirham, there is no exchange rate. Now we will select one item here. For example, we select the desktop. So earlier we added here, see the desktop is showing that Dell desktop, so we have couple of them, and the difference inventories. For example, we select this one, the 50 unit. It's showing for you that this item is 50 unit available. So as soon as you select this one, they bring you the inventory also. So direct, you don't need to select the inventory because it's showing that this is located in this gray portion. They show you that quantity in this bill of entry N is 50 and prices also is 20 per unit. So this is an indicator for you that you don't mistake to sell less than this. You can sell more than this, you cannot sell less than this. The HS code is locked because this HS code belongs to this item. This is the HS code, and the country of origin is also locked, is written there. Weight is also showing that per unit should be 2. If you do the plus minus, then the things get difference, and the system will not allow you to save. So now, for example, we save this one, we select the date and we save it. So once we save it, at the last step, so they take a double confirmation from you that the invoice is generated, but the invoice so far is not posted, means the so far is not finals. As soon as you click on the posted, they'll ask you a confirmation. Once you make a posted, then there is no way that you delete the invoice, because once you post it means the transaction is posted to the government system, and then you cannot recall it, you cannot delete it. So we'll say that okay, we posted. So once we say that posted, these things get green here, and you have a print option for the batch of invoices. This invoice, all these invoices and documents which you see is required by the custom for transfer of ownership of the goods from one forwarder to another forwarder via any customers. So see, for example, on the invoice, you see the invoice and packing list. So we have commercial invoice, we have transfer of ownership, we have delivery note. All this format which you see here, this is the format which is standard and is required by the Dubai custom. This is not something a personal format and customization. Each and everything which you see here, the same thing is required in the Dubai customs. So the batch of documents is here. You can select all of them, and you send it to your forwarder, and a copy of them you can send to your customer. And after that everything is confirmed, then the bill of exit. Also you can the bill of entry of exit, you can add here the attachment file, and it's you can add it here also. That document should be complete. And after this, there is a lot of reports that you can see on the reports: sales report by item, sales report of country of origin, bill of entry exit, sales report by HS code. So each and everything you can get the information like as much detail as you want. And after this, you will get the purchase report is the same. Then you will get the stock report, a stock report by item, a stock report by HS code, bill of entry. So for example, we select here the bill of entry is show you that this bill of entries like remaining items. If you sell all of this, this bill of entries will disappear from here. So means US stock at the current stock, this is the bill of entry numbers that it's lying in your warehouse. So you should understand that, okay, this bill of entry we should clear somehow in some time. This all information you see it on the report, that inbound and outbound, the all information, the remaining, what is the remaining, this is the remaining, this is the country of origin, each and everything about the bill of your entry will be reported to you here. Then you can add users also, on the users that for your colleague and co-workers to help you. And there is also a small things for the setting, which at this time I don't want to explain you because the video is get lengthy. I want to tell you that this software is developed by Technova development company, which is based in the USA, and we are here to support you for the any things you need regarding the how to set up your business, how to even how to import your old data from your old database. If there is anything, I can assist you, and my telephone number is mentioned on the website. So thanks for watching this video. See you later. Bye bye.